Council bosses in Newcastle have revealed their latest emergency measures to tackle the spread of coronavirus. Council leader Nick Forbes is calling on the city to harness goodwill and Geordie spirit to get through this, as normal life will be disrupted for a long period of time.
Not exaggerating when I say I think this is probably the biggest crisis that our city will face for nearly a century, because this isn't just a public health crisis, it's going to be an economic crisis too. We're starting already to see massive job losses potentially being announced in the hospitality sector, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. We could see mass unemployment. That's why it's absolutely essential that the government acts, and acts immediately, to protect people's incomes for the next few months.
As of Friday, there are 23 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the city. It seems like many are following government advice on social distancing and isolation. Footfall on Northumberland Street has been down 75%.
Across the city, students have been out partying in the last few days. Most of those students themselves are not going to be at great risk from the disease. But what I'd ask them to think about is that while they're partying, they may be spreading the virus amongst themselves. I think it's very likely that's happening. And by doing that, they're going to then pass the virus on to others, and they will create a bigger problem. I would say if you're partying out in the city, please stop. We need you to socially distance as well. That's the only way we get on top of this problem.